This is the circular pattern, and it just goes like in a circle. You got to be careful of wires, and we're going to switch this up, and let's go to a different pattern. This is the edge pattern, and this goes along the edges. And there's a sock in the way. That's pretty good. Bags, you want to keep everything up off the floor, and then you can also control this by yourself with a remote. And I'm controlling it now, telling it where to go. And it works. It works pretty good. I like it. I mean, it's not perfect, but it works pretty good. And it's got two power levels. You can go even stronger with this one, but it's pretty good. You want to keep every debris up off the floor, but this works pretty good. And then we're going to hit the home button, and it should go back to its charging dock. We hit the home button, it's searching. There's wires there. It's doing a pretty good job. Let's see it go home. It should find home. Sometimes it needs help. There's a mat, and that's pretty good. Yeah. See, it's not perfect, but it does work pretty good, and you got to have the floor cleared of any debris, and we're going to help it find its home. And you can control this, and we're going to hit the home button, and there we go. It's not bad. It's pretty good for the money. I would definitely recommend this at the price point. It does work pretty good, and you can't beat that. You're talking about 99 bucks. I would definitely recommend this at 99 bucks. Pretty cool.
Okay, dirt test. Ready? How bad it looks before. Pretty dang good for the price I paid. My floor is filthy thanks to this guy. You move. I want to see your butt. Move. Hey. That was pretty dang good.
Hi there, I've got with me my Yeedi automatic vacuum robot kit. Here's the box, and let's take a look at the robot. So here we go, I've got it in its charging dock right now. But the wonderful thing about this is that it is automatic. So when it needs to charge, it goes all the way to the charger on its own. And when you need to vacuum, here you've got your remote control where you can guide it and turn it on. And it's got different commands here, and it's got a home command to go back to the charging dock, and then the cleaning one, which I'll show you in a minute. But I'd like to point out, here's the papers it comes with for the instructions, and multiple cleaning brushes that you can install, as well as here a cutter to cut out that trap hair on the bottom, cleaner, and another cleaner here. So let's try it out. Okay, so here it is. Wow, really fast. There we go. Got it. Turn around. Okay, and so if you want your vacuum to come back home, come back, vacuum. You press the return button. Come on, vacuum. And then it'll return to the charging dock. I present to you the vacuum. Come on. There we go. And bingo. So it charges, and it can clean your whole place. And it's got quick charging if you need to change out the... With me, my automatic vacuum, and I'm going to show you that it's got two brushes here to put in that trash, not just one as some of them have. It's got two. So let's check it out. There we go. It spins really fast and not too loud. I can talk over it and you can still hear me talk to you. You can just flip this to open it up and take out the brush. And then here it's got easy access to open up the trash can. We will go like this. Pop it out, take it over to the trash, empty it, pop it back in. Super easy, convenient if you are working a lot and you need someone to clean your house, but you don't want to pay for a housekeeper, then this is your solution. And I have one and I find it super useful.
It just came off the charger. It was on the charger the whole night. That was 1 minute and 46 seconds on a full night's charge. Let's try this again. One minute and 40 seconds. That's how long it lasts.